it's Dylan the Aviator, guys. We have an Allegiant A319 going to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Then it's gonna come back and then head back down to Nashville, Tennessee. We just came earlier from Nashville, Tennessee, and now this one's gonna be heading down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. These are the two non-Florida destinations out of SYR and Allegiant: Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and Nashville, Tennessee. Alright, he's going to be heading out to runway 28 and waiting for clearance from the traffic controller to be ready for takeoff. So here they come.
Alright, try to get over here. Alright. A320 going to
A319.
A319 going to South Carolina.
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Thank you. Hey, you remember better than me. And then it's going to fly back up here, and then it's going to go to Nashville, Tennessee later on. Runway 28 departure takeoff. Flyway exiting. That's what they say. Flyway cross exiting. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Alright, there they go. Taking off. Off to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Climbing up there.
Going up in the altitude.
There you go.